Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you a complete step-by-step method to earn money on Fiverr using ChatGPT. This method is very simple, even if you are a complete beginner, and you do not need any special skills, experience, or prior knowledge about freelancing. All you need is access to a computer or a smartphone and the ability to follow simple instructions. Today, I will focus on one specific way to make money: creating social media captions and posts for small businesses using ChatGPT and then selling this as a service on Fiverr. Many small businesses, social media influencers, and online entrepreneurs often find it very challenging to come up with engaging and interesting posts for their Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter accounts. They fully understand how important having high-quality content is for attracting attention, building a loyal audience, and growing their online presence, but in most cases, they simply do not have enough time or the necessary skills to create this type of content consistently and regularly. This is exactly the opportunity where you can step in and offer your help, providing a valuable service while also earning money for yourself at the same time. The very first step in this process is to open ChatGPT. If you do not already have access to this tool, you can easily sign up for free and begin using it immediately without any complicated setup. Once you are inside and ready to start, the most important part is to write instructions for the AI that are clear, detailed, and precise. For instance, if your goal is to create Instagram captions specifically for a bakery, you could type something like, "Write 10 Instagram captions for a small bakery. Make the captions fun, interesting, engaging, and include relevant hashtags." Each caption should be under 50 words and should encourage people to visit the bakery. After you press enter, ChatGPT will generate all of the captions for you instantly, giving you a complete list that is ready to use or modify as needed. It is important to remember that ChatGPT produces the best results when your instructions are very specific and detailed. You can also add extra information to guide the AI, such as specifying the tone of the captions, whether you want them to sound humorous, professional, friendly, or casual. For example, you could write 10 Instagram captions for a small bakery. The captions should be fun, cheerful, and friendly, and they should make people excited to buy cupcakes. Include relevant hashtags like bakery. Providing this level of detail ensures that the content generated by ChatGPT is much closer to what your client will actually want, and it reduces the amount of editing you will need to do afterward. Once ChatGPT generates the captions, take some time to carefully review them. In most cases, the content produced by the AI will be very good and close to ready for delivery. But it is always a good idea to make small adjustments to improve readability, improve the overall flow, or adapt it to better match the client's unique style. For example, you might want to add local references or specific details that make the captions feel personal and relevant. If the bakery you are writing for is located in New York, you could add a line like "perfect treats for New Yorkers" or "baking happiness in the heart of the city" to make the captions feel customized and more appealing. Taking these extra few minutes to refine the content might seem small, but it adds a significant amount of value to your work and will impress clients when they see that the captions are polished and ready to post. After you have your content finalized and ready to go, the next step is to organize it in a clean, professional format. You can use tools like Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or even Excel to arrange your captions neatly. It is helpful to list the captions clearly, numbering each one so that clients can easily follow and copy them. For added clarity, you can even create a simple table with 2 columns, one for the caption itself and one for the hashtags. This small step of organizing your work makes it much easier for clients to use immediately and saves them time, which they will really appreciate. Delivering content in a neat and professional format not only improves the client's experience, but also reflects positively on your professionalism, increasing the chances of repeat orders and positive reviews. Now, let's talk about Fiverr. When starting out, you do not need to create multiple gigs or offer a long list of services. It is better to focus on just one clear service and make sure that potential clients understand exactly what you're offering. For example, your gig could have a title like, "I will create 10 engaging Instagram captions for your business using AI tools." In the gig description, explain that you use advanced AI tools like ChatGPT to generate fast, accurate, and high-quality content. Highlight that this approach allows you to deliver work quickly without sacrificing quality. Many clients are impressed when they see that professional posts, captions, or content can be created in minutes instead of taking hours, and this efficiency often encourages them to place an order. When it comes to pricing, it is best to start small. Offer a basic package, such as 10 captions, for a low and attractive price to help you get your first few orders and begin building reviews. Reviews are critical on Fiverr because they establish credibility and trust with potential clients. Once you start receiving positive feedback and your reputation grows, you can gradually increase your prices and offer larger packages, such as 20 captions, 30 captions, or even 50 captions. Always remember that delivering excellent work and building strong relationships with clients is more important than charging a high price initially. Positive reviews and satisfied clients will naturally lead to more orders, higher earnings, and long-term success on the platform. Communication with your client is very important. Always ask for clear instructions. For example, you can ask them, "What is your business about? What is the tone you want for your posts? Are there any specific topics or products you want to highlight?" Once you receive their instructions, feed them into ChatGPT and generate the content. Then review, polish, and deliver it. Because ChatGPT generates content quickly, you can complete multiple orders in the time it might take someone else to finish just one. Let's talk about some examples of prompts you can use with ChatGPT to make this process even easier. For captions, you can try. Write 10 funny Instagram captions for a coffee shop that make people want to visit. Generate 15 engaging captions for a fitness influencer. Include hashtags and call to action phrases like, "Try this today." Create 20 creative and catchy captions for a fashion boutique. Keep them under 50 words each. By using these prompts, you can quickly produce content that looks professional and creative, even if you have no writing experience. This is the biggest advantage of using AI tools like ChatGPT for freelancing. Once you deliver your first order, ask the client for feedback. Sometimes they might want minor adjustments, and that is normal. Make the changes quickly and professionally. Every positive review you get will make your gig more visible on Fiverr and attract more clients. Over time, you can build a steady stream of orders. Now, it is important to understand the bigger picture. While this Fiverr method works very well, it is still based on exchanging time for money. You earn when you complete orders, which is fine, but there is a unique way to go beyond this. You can use ChatGPT and social media to create digital products that sell automatically. For example, you could create a bundle of 100 captions, a small ebook, or social media templates. Once these products are ready, you can sell them repeatedly online. You do not have to create new content every time, which means you earn even when you are not actively working. This approach is not widely known, and 99% of people do not know that complete beginners can make money this way using free AI tools. Now, before you go, I want to share something personal. When I first looked into making money on Fiverr using ChatGPT, I realized most people don't talk about the real downsides of this model. Things like intense competition, constant price undercutting, dealing with difficult clients, revisions that never end, account restrictions, and the pressure to keep delivering work just to get paid. Even with AI, you're still trading time for money. Recently, I discovered a much smarter way to make money, and the best part is that even complete beginners can do it from the comfort of their own homes. It doesn't require creating gigs, handling clients, delivering services, inventory, staff, physical locations, bank loans, or years of experience. You can start this on the side even if you already have a full-time job. It's far more beginner-friendly and scalable than making money on Fiverr with ChatGPT, especially if your goal is income first, not constant work and headaches. I'd honestly say at least 99% of people still don't know about this unique business model, which means you're still early. Click the link in the description and watch the free video to learn more.